Stocks on the deep. We have VSEE, TZUP, ORIS, and PAPL. So we'll begin with VSEE down 41.67%, intraday low 0.6. I don't think there's any news behind this plunge. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till midday New York time, and then after that we might get a bounce that might be sustained up till Wednesday the 13th, midday as well. And after that, the weakness may resume, the downtrend may resume and may pivot again. So it's a cycling. The extrapolation is, if you like, a cycle downwards, if you like. Yeah, pretty much somewhat. Okay, so let's see what we have in terms of projections. 1.11 rebound projection. Before now, it was there was also 1.16, 1.23, 1.36. It also has 1.54, 1.64, 1.69, 1.82, 1. Yeah, 1.82 as well. Yeah, before that, before in between as well, there's 1.4, 1.51, 1.58. Selling pressure is severely bearish. Okay, severely bearish. However, we have a positive second derivative on its 10 period moving average. So let's see. Let's see. We haven't seen anything behind this plunge. So let's have a look at the next one. Next is TZUP. TZUP down 29.28, intraday low $9.7. TZUP, let's see, they did, is it correcting on a high? Is it, I think it's correcting, it's contracting and expansion, yeah. So lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Wednesday the 13th. The sharp decline is expected to remain in place up till midday today, New York time, and then may just slow down somewhat, but with a bearish, if you like, consolidate or rather um, contract the plunge, the volatility, if you like, and then, or yeah, if you like, consolidate with a bearish bias, and then may resume the uptrend from Wednesday the 13th pre-market session, and then hold up, if you like, consolidates what will be an expansion from then from the 13th, and consolidated from the let's see, from the 14th up till Wednesday the 20th. Okay, let's see. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have 14.24. It's surely a down. It's surely an upper projection. Let's see what the price is now. Yeah, 10.94. So 14.24 is an upper projection currently in play. Let's see. We have downward projections as well: 7.03, 7.99, 9.54, um, 10.55, 11.41, 12.81, 16.93, 18.66, 19.72. These are not in play at the moment, but they're still relevant. Let's see. Weaknesses, selling pressure has, yeah, everything is bearish. However, we have, there's an indication that it's not going to go, it's not, yeah, it's expected to stall. So the weakness is expected to begin to slow down. You can see we have very strong first derivative on this 10 period moving average, and also a very strong second derivative for that same 10 period moving average, and also as well a robust first derivative for the 21 period moving average. All of these are just indicating that there's a very solid support that the stock is going to meet pretty soon. Probably that's why we're looking at an end to the sharp decline by midday of today's trading session. That's midday UK time, New York time. Let's see, there might be some news here. Let's see what they're saying. Nothing fresh. There might be some news, but it's not out yet. Um, yeah, there might be some news, but it's not. We've not seen it yet. So let's see. Let's move on to the next. Next is ORIS. ORIS, Oriental Rise Holdings. You have to be careful with this one, I think. You have to be careful with this one. Down 22.51. ORIS. Yeah, very short term. In the short term, it's been very bearish. Lower prices are expected to keep printing. However, we have upper projections of 0.1545, 0.1845, 0.2030. Current price is 0.1057. You have to be really careful with this stock. Let's see. We had previous projections of 0.2544, 0.3130, 0.3495. There are also down projections, negative projections. Stocks don't trade in negatives, but it just tells you that some really sub-fractional prices are being projected there. And the upper projections, we still have more here: 0.3913, 0.4290, 0.4901, 0.7499, 0.8263, 0.8734. No guarantee that any of those will print. Selling pressure, yes, nothing, no support anywhere, no support. Okay, well, we have, for some reason, the price pressure momentum is robustly positive. What's going on? It's down 20, it's down 19.34. Something is wrong here. Yeah, something is wrong. Maybe it did a pivot somewhere. Okay, and it has to be that it's highly volatile, it seems. But we still have some seriously, everything is robustly bearish. Everything is robustly negative, indicating that even though we have this very strong price pressure momentum, you can't rely on this. You can't rely on this at all. There's no guarantee. It's not out of the woods yet. So let's see. The next one is Pineapple Finance, PAPL, down 12.45%. Let's see. Was it a case of correction? Okay, Pineapple Finance is expected to consolidate the expansion that happened on Friday. Yeah, so it's expected to contract it up till Wednesday, 20th of August. It has upper projection of 7.65, 9.52, 10.63. Previously had 8.24, 10.11, 11.27, and 7.78, 12.74, 16.47, 18.77. Let's see what we have. Selling pressure is very strong on its 10 period moving average. I think it's because it's correcting. So it's yet to get into the negative. Everything has gone negative, so still, still positive. So it's because it had a very large price pressure momentum. The buying pressure was very high, and it's still trying to clear them out. That's why still very much positive. But the derivatives are all negative now, indicating that the stock is has the prospects of plunging because there's no support there, nothing to catch it. Short selling and short sellers have since kicked in, even though of course there are still open long positions. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's see. That's what's going on. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.